So example number 1. You have got 5x plus 9 times 5x minus 9. We notice that this is a sum and difference pattern. A and B are the same. So we know all we have to do is multiply the first term in this group and the first term in that group, which gives us 5x the whole square. Here this bracket is very important since the square is for both 5 and x. Suppose if you don't put the bracket, it will mean square is only for x. So when squaring the number and letter together, we must put the bracket. Then minus the last term times the last term, that's 9 square. And remember what I told that sum and a difference of same two terms has no middle term. Okay. Let's start simplify now. In this case, since there is multiplication between 5 and x, we can just distribute this square straight to both 5 and x without thinking about anything. By doing so, we get 5 square is 25, and if we square the x, we get x square minus 9 square or 9 times 9 is 81. And that's it. We are done. Of course, you can distribute it out, but this is a time saver, right? So let's look at example number 2. Now this one again, we have got a sum and difference. Oops. Okay, here we got a difference and sum. Actually, as far as this case is concerned, both sum and difference and sum are same. You know why? Because there is a multiplication sign between them. And remember that multiplication is commutative. Okay, here we got a difference and sum. A and B are the same. 2x and 1, right? So we have got 2x times 2x, which is 2x the whole square, minus 1 times 1 is 1 square. So we have 2 square is 4, and if we square the x, we get x square, minus 1 square is 1, and that's it. Okay, number 3. Same thing, a sum and a difference pattern. A and B are the same. CD and 8. So we have got CD times CD is CD the whole square, minus then 8 times 8 is 8 square. So that is C times C is C square and D times D is D square, minus 8 square is 64. Now let's take a look at 2x plus 3 the whole square. This is a binomial square with the positive sign. It is the same thing times itself twice, right? So we are going to use this pattern over here. We have got the first term square, which is 2x the whole square. The last term square, which is plus 3 square. But to find the middle term, we multiply the 2x and 3 and double it or multiply it by 2. So 2x the whole square is 4x square plus 2 times 2x is 4x, and that 4x times 3 is 12x plus 3 square is 9, and you got it. Okay, let's try another one. This one you are subtracting, so same pattern you can see it's a binomial square with negative sign. We have got the first term square, which is 5y the whole square. Then the last term square, which is plus 4 square. Here notice that I didn't write negative sign because of the pattern of the binomial square. And to find the middle term, we multiply 5y and 4 and double it. Here is the binomial square with negative sign, so our middle term should be negative. So 5y the whole square is 25y square minus 2 times 5y is 10y and that 10y times 4 is 40y plus 4 square is 16.